Hello and welcome back to my channel Anshika Goel Illustrator, and it's time to level up your illustrations. So today we are going to know that what's the difference between flat sketch and a body drape. So yeah, when a garment is made, so we need to make a flat sketch first. Flat sketch is basically a technical sketch that we give to the production house for the production. And a body drape is basically how that a flat sketch, how that garment is looking when it comes on a body. So yeah, the difference basically arises like there are too many folds that arises when a garment is draped on a body. So here's a flat sketch of a kurti in which there is a collar, there's a placket in the middle. So this is the technical drawing that the bottom line is totally straight. There is some buttons in the placket. We will give the we will give the sleeves, and that will be very straight because it's not on a body. It's more like a garment is hanged on a hanger. So we have to imagine it like that way. So we have to show it very flat without any fold lines, or even we have to add some stitch lines like where the stitches arises. So this is a flat sketch right now. Now when this garment comes on a body, comes on a wearer, so how will it look like? That is illustration basically. So now we are going to illustrate. We are going to sketch that how drape comes on a body. So when it comes onto the bust, the shape will arise. The bottom line will not appear same like in the flat sketch. Of course, when a garment is on a body, then some ups and downs in the bottom line occurs. That's quite natural. So we have to show all that ups and downs, all those folds occurring. Like in the sleeve area, there will be many folds in the armpit, right? That cannot be worn straight. There should be some folds that will occur, that will definitely gonna occur, whether it's a leather costume or a cotton costume, doesn't matter, whether it's a lightweight fabric or a heavyweight fabric. There will definitely gonna be some folds that will occur when you just worn a dress or any garment. So you can see in the flat sketch there is no folds. Why? Because that's a technical sketch. We are not showing that on a body. This is a very important difference here. You can see many folds in the armpit, but not in the flat sketch. There's the burst shape in the illustration, but not in the flat sketch. The bottom line is very straight here, but not here. Why? Because there are many folds that occurs when the outfit is worn by some wearer. So this is the major difference between a flat sketch and a draped garment of that flat sketch, and this is how it should be rendered. And the next video will be on this, how to render folds and a flat sketch. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.